All right, friends, I'm doing problem 69 from chapter 1.3 in pre-calculus, and it's split into three different pieces. So what I've decided to do is I'm going to make the first piece in green, and second in orange, and then blue, okay? Because the things, what are the directions? It says, in exercises 59 to 70, the domain is negative infinity to infinity. Part A is graph the function. And then B, use your graph to determine the function's range. That's it. All they want is the range. Okay, I think the graph is the hard part. Okay, so from when x is less than -4, that includes negative infinity to this point, -4, okay? And this is my x-axis, by the way, that I'm drawing. And then from -4 to 0, I'm in that orange zone, okay? And there's my 0. My y-axis is gonna land there. There we go. And then from 0 to infinity, it's all blue. Okay, so here's my domain and my three different pieces. And the first part says f of x equals 0 when x is less than -4. So the graph, I hate that they put it on 0 because that's just right on the x-axis. I'm just going to darken this. Okay. There it is. And then when x is between -4 and 0, I hop onto the function f of x equals -x. Now, this is a line that looks like has slope -1 and goes on to infinity in either direction. Okay. Now, I dashed these sections because they are not included as part of f of x. So I have this heavy green line and then this solid orange line as part of the f of x graph. And then the last part says hop on x squared when x is greater than or equal to 0. So the x squared graph, of course, is a parabola that looks like this. And oh, I hate to do this, but this parabola has another part that is not included in the graph. So the only parts are this thick green line here from -infinity to -4, and it's at 0. And this thick line, when x is between -4 and 0, we're here, and then after that, we get on the parabola. Okay? So that's the graph. And, oh, it wants the range. The range of the function is the lowest point is at 0. And it includes the number 0, okay? And then this part goes all the way up to infinity. So that is my range. Graph and range. That's all they're asking for.